let's move on to the dessert.
Okay. Well, this is my grape yogurt jelly dessert.
Grape yogurt jelly dessert.
And what you need for this is to boil about 2 cups of white grape juice.
Which you have started here.
Yeah, we started that there, and it doesn't really have to get to a boil. It just needs to get good and hot. And we add about a tablespoon of gelatin to the grape juice, and you can add that now.
Right now?
Yeah.
You don't have to soak that?
No, we just need to stir it until it dissolves. And we can remove it from the heat.
So you're heating it to dissolve, put this gelatin in solution.
Yeah, it just needs to get good and hot, and then we dissolve the gelatin in there, and then we take it off the heat for a bit, and we just let it cool. After that, you would pour about half of this grape juice into a glass like this, or like the wine goblet I've used, and then you put some grapes in it, and you let that sit for a few hours in the refrigerator until it gets, you know, nice and set. Okay, we'll just add this to the cup. I would add some yogurt, about a half a cup of yogurt. We just whisk it up.
Okay, so you pour the clear in and let it. You put this with the grapes and set it in a cool refrigerator.
Right.
What you've done, you let it set up, and it becomes solid.
Mm-hmm.
Then this cools down, and then you pour it in here, and you have a. Well, let's give them the recipe.
Okay, for grape yogurt jelly, have 1.5 cups of seedless grapes, 1 tablespoon of powdered gelatin, a half a cup of low-fat yogurt, and 2 cups of white grape juice.
Folks, find these foods that look great, taste great, and are great for you.